How to use snap layouts in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the snap layout in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. Sometimes you want to include a lot of applications in your screen as you're working on them together. How can you do that? Follow the steps available in this video and you will easily be able to use a lot of applications at a single time. For that, firstly I have opened Google Chrome here. This will be one of the application which I want to include in my snap layout. And as you can see beside the minimize option, you need to make this tab smaller. Click on it. And when you hover the cursor over it, you will see various layouts. That is the snap layout feature of Windows 11. Choose the one layout and click in the one portion where you want to include the application, Google Chrome. I chose the 3 layout. After you click on it, the other 2 layout will be right beside it. And now you have the option to choose which application you want to open. Choose in which application you want to work together. After you are done, your screen is ready to work. And that's it. That is how easily you can use the snap layout feature of Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.